Welcome to Paxos, Greece, a hidden jewel in the Ionian Sea where beauty unfolds at every turn. Begin your journey in Gaios, the charming harbour town lined with colourful houses, fishing boats, and lively tavernas that capture the soul of Greek island life. Cruise to the blue caves, carved into limestone cliffs, where turquoise waters shimmer like liquid gems and sunlight creates dazzling reflections beneath the waves. Relax at Voutoumi Beach on neighboring Antipaxos, famous for its powdery white sand and crystal clear waters that feel like the Caribbean in Europe. Explore Loggos, a postcard village with stone alleys, olive groves, and seaside cafes that offer serenity and timeless charm. Don't miss Lakka Bay, a turquoise horseshoe harbor embraced by cypress and pine, perfect for sailing, swimming, or just soaking up the tranquil vibe. Wander through the endless olive groves that cover the island, giving Paxos its lush green heart and ancient soul. Finally, watch the sunset from Erimitis Beach, where dramatic cliffs glow gold and the Ionian horizon fades into fire and purple. Paxos may be small, but it holds some of the most breathtaking places in Greece, a paradise waiting to be discovered in every direction.